Hello, everybody. Jerry DeMayo from mortgage-zoom.com and Family First Funding. And the topic for today is the weekly mortgage rate update for 12/16/2022. But first, as always, I'm going to ask that you please subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. So, another good week for mortgage rates. What does that mean? So, if you've been tuning in the last month, we've been talking about the CPI number and the Fed report, and we had a better than expected CPI data this week. That was 2 months in a row that we've had a better than expected CPI data. And Jerry, what does that mean? What that means is that inflation appears to have peaked and start coming down, which is a good sign for mortgage rates. The Fed raised rates 0.5% as expected this week, and was, I wouldn't say dovish, I wouldn't say hawkish on further rate hikes, but honestly, markets have stayed slightly improved to the same. So that was good news because this week rates could have made a turn in either direction, and actually we've held our ground, maybe improved slightly. So let's take a look at the 10-year Treasury chart, see what's been happening the last 6 months. So take a look at the blue dot here on the chart. This is back on August 1st. This is when mortgage rates were really the lowest we've been in months and months. And we were in the, high 4%. And then basically from August 1st, really all the way up. This is rates rising. This is the 10-year Treasury yield rising and mortgage rates rising. And really we peaked up on November 7th. But the good news from November 7th to today, we've really had a downward trajectory, which is great news for home buyers. Great news. So, what does this mean for you? This means for you, if you're looking at a 30-year fix, you're probably in the low sixes to high 5%. And that's great news because 6 weeks ago we were in the sevens. So great news again for home buyers. So again, if you're at a 30-year fix, you probably can get in the high fives, maybe even mid fives with some buy downs of your rate. So next couple weeks, we don't expect any major market moves. They call it light trading during the holiday season. So we don't expect any major moves the next couple weeks. So expect rates to stay in the high fives, low sixes for the next couple weeks. Again, anything can happen. We don't know that for sure, but we don't have any major expectations. So if you want to use this time to schedule an appointment, find out what you can do for your family, go to www.mortgage-zoom.com and we could do a one-on-one appointment. It's going to look a lot like this. I want to thank everyone for joining. Thank you again. Another good week for mortgages. Great news for everyone. I'll see you next week. Thanks and have a great day.